I'm Dave, and this is my cage. All right, this is going to be another Dave in the cage, and if you think I'm dressed up for welding, you're wrong. What we're going to play with today is my least favorite of all stuff in the world. Never seize, anti-seize. This stuff is so bad that even the label don't like it. So sometimes we're forced to use this. And again, this is one of them products, if you get a little dab on you, it could literally get on unborn children. 10 years from now, 20 years from now, you think radiation's bad? No, this stuff, you'll find it on your tools in your car, on the carpet. Again, this is how I like to deal with it. So what we're going to do today is, and yes, it's the real stuff. Now, when I seen them do this, I called them on it. I thought they were using a make-believe product because I've never seen anything do this. So if we take a little bit and put it in your hand and you do this, that is usually the biggest mistake you'll ever make. Again, you will never get it off. I've tried a lot of different things. It always comes in, it sticks in the towel if you touch that towel again. So we're going to open this up. Well, I already got it on, so I hope this stuff works, because if it don't work like they said, me and the company's going to have a visit. So all I did was grab the rag out of there. Holy smokes, it is working. It's doing a pretty good job. Now I'm going to grab another one just to be safe. But there you can see it come off. It's in the rag. Now here's clean. And if you look, it's pretty much trapped in the rag. So what we're going to do is take this piece of carpet. We're going to walk over to my lathe. Let me just say, everybody knows there's always lathe grease and a nice spot of oil on the floor. That kind of is the same thing as going whoosh with your foot getting in a customer's car. So we can see the grease here. Let's go see what this stuff does. And we're going to try it just in the middle so we can see if it works or not. And you can see where it's taking it out. Between there and there, I'd say it worked. So anyway, guys, we have the cleaning products. They really work. They work on the toughest stuff. For more information, contact your Transtar sales rep and get some on order today. It's nice to have around. Have a good day. But I mean, not a spot. And look how clean them are. That is impressive. How you like them apples?